Hi everybody, this is Julia San Jose. So I just got my new luxury item. It's actually a Chanel bag, and I'm so excited to open it because I got it from Shop Love Charm. So guys, if you're looking for luxury items and high-end items, so dito kayo dapat bumili. And so happy because ano siya, it's actually legit and it's Charm. So thank you so much and more power to you.
Thank you.
Thank you
Miss
so
Julian,
much.
so pretty.
Alam mo, favorite color ko to.
Oh, really?
Yeah, this is my favorite color. It's orange. I've been looking for a card holder.
Oh, right.
So,
Perfect.
Kaya, sobrang perfect niya. Kasi, pagka ayaw ko magdala ng
Yeah.
bulky ng
Bulky
wallet.
wallet.
So, usually, lagi
Card
na akong
holder.
card holder.